Stop obsessing over benchmarks. I'm serious. We've spent 2 years arguing over which AI is smarter, who passed the bar exam, who's better at Python, who can write a poem that doesn't sound like a Hallmark card. We fell for the IQ trap. Silicon Valley wants you focused on the brain. Because if you're looking at the brain, you aren't looking at the workspace. While everyone was chasing GPT-5 rumors, a team in Beijing called Moonshot AI quietly exposed the biggest flaw in Western AI architecture. They didn't build a smarter model, they built a model that can actually remember what you told it. It's called Kimi. And if you're a builder, a researcher, or just someone tired of your AI hallucinating because it forgot what happened 10 pages ago, this is the only thing that matters right now. Let's talk shop. Most of you use ChatGPT or Claude. You think they're reading your 50-page PDF. They aren't. They're looking at your data through a mail slot. It's called the context window. GPT-4o has about 128K tokens. In plain English, that's one medium-sized book. Sounds fine, right? Until you realize that once you hit page 301, the AI starts deleting page 1 to make room. It's literally a genius with early onset dementia. Kimi came out of nowhere with a 2 million token window. That isn't just a bigger slot. That's taking the door off the hinges. You can drop the entire documentation of a legacy codebase, I'm talking thousands of files, into one prompt, and it doesn't just scan them. It lives in them. Why did OpenAI miss this? Because of math. Standard AI attention scales at N2. You double the text, the cost quadruples. Kimi's engineers stopped trying to buy more GPUs and started rewriting how the AI looks at data. They optimized the KV cache so the model bookmarks instead of rereading. It's the difference between a student who has to reread the whole textbook for every question, and the kid with the highlighter. Now, I know what the Anthropic fanboys are going to say, but Claude 3.5 is the smartest model on Earth. Look, I love Claude. For pure reasoning and coding logic, Claude is a surgeon. But here's the brutal reality. A surgeon is useless if they can only see 1 square inch of the patient at a time. When you're building the machine, when you're running agentic loops, you need continuity. Claude is expensive, it's precise, but Kimi is built for the agent swarm. In my testing, if I give Claude a massive repo, it's great at fixing one bug, but if I ask Kimi to rewrite the entire architecture to support a new database, Kimi wins. Why? Because it's not retrieving bits of code, it has the whole map in its head. Claude is a genius in a dark room with a flashlight. Kimi just turned the lights on. If you're a dev, listen close. This is the part that's going to hurt. We've spent the last year building complex RAG pipelines, Retrieval-Augmented Generation. We spent thousands on vector databases, chunking strategies, and embedding models just to help the AI find the right information. Kimi just made 80% of that redundant. Why build a complex library filing system when the AI can just read the whole library in 3 seconds? The complexity is shifting. We're moving away from data engineering and toward agent orchestration. The morphic media stack I'm building, it doesn't rely on searching for data. It relies on a model that can hold the entire project state in memory simultaneously. That's the edge. The AI wars aren't about who's smartest anymore. Intelligence is becoming a commodity. You can buy smart for pennies. Now, the new moat? Context. The winner won't be the model that passes the bar exam. It'll be the model that knows your business better than you do because it hasn't forgotten a single Slack message, email, or line of code you've ever written. Kimi was the first shot. OpenAI is panicking, Gemini is catching up, and the memory wars are just starting. My advice, stop looking for the smartest bot. Start looking for the one with the biggest desk. I'll see you in the next one.